like my friends are working these just jobs that are just gritty, gritty jobs that they're just getting paid junk. And they're all like apprentices to the real people because we're all young. So like, no, none of us are making 10 grand. It was not written in our story. And I'm telling you the truth. Like, I actually didn't believe it either. When they were laughing at me, I was not disagreeing with them. I'm kind of like, okay, of course it's a pipe dream. I'm not saying it's real, but like, what if? What if I made 10 grand in a month? Because 10 grand in a month to me was like, you are balling. Whoever that dude was that traveled around and interviewed people in lifestyle, the rich and famous, the nerdy, successful guy, whatever, that guy's going to come to me. That guy's, because I'm making 10 grand a month. If I'm making 10 grand a month, he's coming to me. So I set this audacious goal. Now, to you, we're modern. It's 2024. This might be different, but my goal was simply $100 a day to $300 a day. I wanted to figure out how to get there. And it felt impossible. So I had to like remove myself from all my friends in order to believe it. No, he wasn't like a 1950s milkman. You know what I'm saying? He's not like euphemism is like, yeah, he's delivering milk to like the moms that are stay-at-home moms during the day or something like that. No, he was delivering milk to businesses like coffee shops and things like that every day, like more commercial milk, but build milk cartons. But the thing is that the biggest belief in my mind that I had to overcome was I had to eliminate my friends in my life. So in order for me to go from 100 to 300 a day, I was already making 100 a day, I had belief, but I didn't have enough belief to get 300. I had to cut out all my friends. So I went to George, the milkman, and I said, George, I'm leaving Santa Cruz. I am out of here. I'm going. And you can either come with me and I'll teach you everything I'm doing. Look at this. I'm making $100 a day on the internet. You can either come with me and take a gamble. He's like, I don't even got a laptop. It's a gamble. I'm leaving the city. You're either coming with me or not. And he's like, what about my girlfriend? I'm like, I got a girlfriend too. Like, we'll ask them if they want to come, but if they don't want to come, I'm leaving without them. Like, I was just dead set.